Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make T-Grand mobile. First, understand that T-Grand is a powerful in-game resource, crucial for advancing your progress and unlocking new features. It significantly boosts your character's abilities and opens up new content. We will cover the entire process, from gathering essential components to the final crafting steps, ensuring you can produce it efficiently. To begin, you'll need to gather several key ingredients. Head to the verdant forest to collect 20 units of sunpaddle, and then venture into the crystal caves for 15 units of aquadew. Additionally, you'll require 5 mystic shards, which are often obtained by completing daily quests or by defeating challenging boss enemies. Ensure your inventory has enough space for all these components. Once you have all your ingredients, proceed to the crafting station. This is typically found in your main base or a specific crafting hub within the game world. Open the crafting menu, select the T-Grand recipe, and then add your 20 sunpaddle, 15 aquadew, and 5 mystic shards. The crafting process will then begin, usually taking about 30 seconds per unit. To maximize your T-Grand production, consider upgrading your crafting station. This can significantly reduce crafting time, sometimes by as much as 25%. Also, look for temporary crafting buffs or boosts that can increase your output by 10% for a limited duration. Joining an active guild can also provide valuable crafting bonuses and opportunities to share resources with teammates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.